Changzhou KYA Fasteners is professional manufacturer of tensioner. Our tensioner can be used in 13 to 32 mm strapping, both polyester and polypropylene as well as cord strapping. This tool is for flat surface usage, which is used by wrapping your banding around the package, feeding both straps into your tensioner, tightening it down to the desired tension, placing and closing a seal onto the strap. Ideal for home and industry warehouse package dock, moving, garage storage, securing cargo during transportation. Great for strapping, sealing, and packing.